Nakaliang ginungilam ke HYC Ribhoy Hakajingilam Upa RC thank you Vice President Utoni Shala General Secretary Bat Uba Awareness Lamin Vice President ke Ribhoy District Menta Kasengi Kilailen Ban Kendu ya ke Registrar ke Mahatma Gandhi University ke Badan Haberni Hat Ribhoy Halor Kimat Bakaseng Kalayo Priangi Kijing Ujor. Nakaliang kita ginungilam kila yolat banyak kendu ya katay ke registrar ka Dr. Sarika Dixon ha kaba kalapan pau ya kimat kiba kentop nadu ka jingbam a shuti la kadai ka state holiday ne kadai ka central holiday bat ka weiru ka jing ujor ba kila yo priang ba ka seng ba ka dan ka jing penyap hair jak benrio hapadeng ki para samla puli ka wei na kamat balara da ka seng kalong ru ha kaliang katungkam tungjam dei ban pan pai khamat ru yakikam bala ban trai ki trai jela bat ru ha ka jing priang yaki samla puli ha kani ka jing kandu ladan ru ka jing tainya ka bajur ha padeng ki nongelam ka seng bat ka tei ka registrar bat ha ka ba khadu ka tei ka registrar kala kular ban bodin yakimat balawan ra da ka seng bat na kaliang kaseng ru kalapan pau ba kajing ya kandu kalong ka basaiso bat lada ki bor penyat kim shim kia ya kate kimat balawan ra kaseng kan sabot din bat lada kalapat kambansi banujor sheki bor bahalor.
From the public, it's not like you said that we have to get the paper from them. We just come here to do that. It is part of fact. This issue. So now we understand from our side, from your side, you explain that now we understand that this is not fact. According with this, listen fast. According with this, according to this issue which are mentioned here.
Anybody is saying
What we said that we have to get the paper from them and everything from them.
That's why I'm saying just identify the
Most of the complaint we got from the public, not only here, we got not by the paper also. We can get through the phone call, we can get through the meeting with them like that.
So just take the
So you should
details
answer
of those students who is complaining, who is facing these kind of
No,
problems. So we will talk to that person. Now how can we generalize the things?
So we just came and we just wondered that it is not our fault. That,
Already advertised for the Khasi faculty, and that should be that has been already noted down that Khasi faculties or Meghalayan faculties will be preferred. So all these things we are abide with the rules and regulations of the Meghalayan state, and we are trying to do all the things. And this is already we are doing. And this is not a case to discuss anything. We are already providing these holidays. Second thing is that we are already doing this. If there is any specific case, so we will find it out. And we are just right now we are sending or just giving a message or notice to all faculties and teaching and non-teaching staff that if any kind of discrepancy or any kind of discriminatory practice has been found guilty, so necessary action has been taken by.
Ikum ka HYC napok ka Ribhoy District. Te hadin bangilayo sibon ki jing ujor mo naki kidon naki nokai naki student kidon ro naki non teaching staff kato kane ki bangilayo jing ujor halor kato kane ki jing tko ki ba kilayo tho hangi te kumta mata kasngi ngi lengba ka dorkas ka bagi lapan kre ngila ha sho vice chancellor jo kane ka slam kule rei namar ba ngimyo bani kulo udan sadeli bangilayo bani keren bagi Madam Sarika juga page ka register te hadin bagi layo bani keren bati ngila pau ya sibun tuli kimat kamat ka paningkong ngila yo ya ka kata ka jing ujor ka bakila itu angi ba hakin ni kising ki ladap lese hakin ni kising ki bonai ki ladap ba kim chu kham ai ya ki shuti la da dei ka district holiday la ne la da dei ka state holiday te handai hadin bagi layo keren ya kana kamat ka paningkong bat ini register te ilapan pau hangi ba kamdon kum kata te handai wala kata ro nginomla ban syania ya kane ho ngila ngi hadin bala don ngin keren gupta handai nakliang jongi ngin saya budin ya to kane aba kilapan pau menta kasing kadai ka jing sisa la ne kadai ka ba kila suthok ahmad jongi kumki nongilam jangka HYC kapoin ba kalong kajing ailat ya kini ki teaching but kini ki non teaching staff hapo kaneka Islam pule te ngingi kwa ba kampen pun lani bagi kita ki teaching but ki non teaching staff bagi ki nakalian kan ke university kan kampek bah ya kini kepada ki lokal nani ki biru jungi kepada napo kaneka dong kathan se napo kari kasi jaita hi borok kawai te ya kan dia ngila tawa hoaj ha ka bide kaneka maru nakalian ka jungki kila ya kila pan pau hi ba ki lek kumta ka e ka ba nadu pasdang kila penbon hi kita ki bade ki breu ki jongi te wala kata ru ni nang pan ya kalis ki bade jong ki teaching but non teaching ba ngin pe yang tu ba hadu kat no ba kini ki nakalem jangan ka Islam ki ailat kini ki khasi jongi la dade ha ka teaching la ha ka non teaching staff but ya kan ka matru wala da kila pen pau kum to hande indang yai budin hinang ni skmat te kadon ru ka jing jor ka bangila yo snow naki student kamtam na po ka Islam pule ha ka ba kadon ka jing pen ya per ya kan ka jing long rulum but bombe rulum ha kan ka jika pule te kumta halor kan ka bentar ho ya kan ka mat syam lawan naka syuki jong vice chancellor la na ini madam ani ka de ka jing long jingman ka balong para maki hapo para student hapo kan te halor kan ka bentaru ngila pan snow hai ba ide ban sim kia mardor ya kan ka bentar kenang ba kum kini ki ekonomi hapadeng ki para nong pule la kita ki student ki pule ha kan ka Islam compare la ki de ki iru la ka de ki bana barjala ki bana po jala compare kita hande ba ngimkwa ba kin mi kum kita ki barkhoi te halor kini ki mat lightly ngila yo ban pha ban ngila yo ban kren ho ai kum kila yo i haswa pen ya kren ngimtip ka e ka bala pelong ye ni madam ba kala don ngi pen ini ya sandiat ban ni hang tu ha ba ngila ye kren ha ka ba ila keren da kumne rang tai bala stang ban kelang hindai hadin bangila yo ngila ya saj ba hadin bangila ye keren ngila pen sya ya ka e jing thumu ka jungi ka bangiwan hang ne ba ka jing yo sneu ka jungi ba ka ne ngimla ban tip atau kini ki jing ujor jungi ki de ki basisa lane ha kano gadur te kumta bangin tip jing sisa ni kwa ba ni kido ban menta ka singi lai kido ba nakalian jungi de madam ila pen pau ba kum kini ki barok bangila kedo kamdan kum satya ba kum kata tang bawat la kataru ni kenda ka basai banak ni juga sering nginum susngap lane nginum susngap ya kan kamat but ladang yo ye jing ujor ang ne span ngimbar se le se ban ya iru se kibor ba khamhalor namar ba yo le se ki khna kin yeting lane kini ki non teaching staff lane ki teaching staff jong kan college le se jong kan university ki kiting ba kinut na pa mat jong i te handai ngi kentu ngi so ban kentu ya kini ki bade ki beru jong ina po kan ka jala megalaya bakin wan mi sakmat bakin kan pau ngi kum paseng bangin dup nang ban le ye la dami kum kini bana margim kwa ba kum kini ki kinje hapo put sam jong kari kasi jaitia la ne hapo ka dong ri boy ka jongi te nakala jongi tangkum ta he te ngin si pa ki ka bansa jarang ne sakmat la da kini se kini kimat ki isu ke bangira matala da kintang yai peteng kimber se ban hap yai sikibor ba kham halal